to start placing sprinklers, the first thing we need to make sure we have is ceiling. So we're just going to go up in the automatic ceiling button, place the ceiling. Once the ceiling is placed, we can start placing our sprinkler heads. We're going to click place on face. Place a couple. And then we're going to place a main trunk for the sprinkler. Now we're going to set the level for the main trunk to be at 11 feet. And we're going to actually place the main trunk going down this hallway here. You notice that we can't see that in this view, so we're going to do a couple things. One is, when we created our section, the first thing I noticed was that this sprinkler type is actually not set as fire protection wet. It's actually set as sanitary. So now that once we place that, it will show up in this view. And so that's placed there. And we also want to, we just want to make sure that we can see through the ceiling. So I'm just going to go in here and change the ceiling transparency to 100%. Section over a little bit. We're just going to place and so now you can see that we're starting to create our branches. There's a lot of different ways you can do that, but this way worked for this. So you can see that we have right over here we have our sprinkler heads and our main branch there.